I'm just trying to decide what we're gonna do next. It's like too many dope moves to make. I guess we won't decide. Let's just do it off time. Do that one?
Too many crowds.
Million silver envelopes lay hidden within my lips left unlicked.
Chris Love said, "Get weird."
Million silver envelopes lay hidden within my lips left unlicked.
That's what I'm saying.
Dear Miss Opportunity, I apologize. Non-self-fulfilling apologies come uneasy, like survivors of rape. Fishing for God, I found myself hooked. See, we three was making banquet. Souls feast, put our foots in a plate. But goddamn, seemed like didn't nobody want to go the decisions in one room. So we dipped into a new form, new galaxy, went somewhere else altogether. We 3 + 2 makes rhetoric.
Give it up for Sons of Razi's, y'all!
Gifted spit across other people's lips like good goddamn, what was this shit that we heard a minute ago? Anyway, we finna be flowing on for a whole lot more days, nights, weeks, and years. Can't really see no stop, no fear, no hesitation, just gonna fly off into that other station waiting for us somewhere. Good goddamn. I'm a little bit high and ain't smoked in a cool little time, though I used to quite many more blunts than most others. Be on my own and some other, hibernating with my lover, trying to figure out what the fuck to do in this crazy ass motherfucking world. Cause see, most days, like all I want is to lose my brain in insane decisions and girls and dip off into some ignorant shit to escape trying to wake up to this made up world.
Rewind.
And dip into some other insane shit that I can't recall like that, so I'm gonna recall like this. This how I spit, but goddammit. Sons of Razis, we inflam any room that we come through. Please believe one crew more better than most of that other shit you've been hearing for too goddamn long. So wake up, hear a song, a poem, a psalm, or just some shit I said to that nigga, or that nigga, or that nigga, or that nigga, although he wasn't a nigga, he my nigga. I'm a nigga cause I'm half. We be going off, that's divine math, except I can't add, so I'm not gonna tell you the number. You said weird shit. Well, I'm the plumber. I find a lot in my day. Please believe, we don't play, but on to J, B. Ox the beast are burned into the head beast. Check the way he frequently freak any place he step into. That's an intro or interlude. So let me hear some screwed up shit. Screwed up shit.
Can we hit it for a minute? Can a nigga get some spinach? Can a brother get up in it, please? Yo, let me know. Holler at me later, don't call me. You know I'm close just down the hallway. And you and me, we can get higher than the rooftop. No, in fact, we got to stop there, cause it's hot, but you can't fly, and you too damn fly to DIE. So I know that I just need my me and you together forever. It's just the family, it's the crew. Whether you know it or not, the flow will be hot. It's unwritten, to come spitting, we got a lot. Motherfuckers like a Glock. Rat-a-tat-tat, if you liking that a lot. Sir Mix, Yo, it's the wordsmiths. You can get all this to the curb in a ditch on your knees, praying to the motherfucking Lord above, or just to mommy. Suck a nipple. Get more than a tip though. Go deep. Put your head into it. Put your back in. Then a little bit of throat but no teeth. Oh, see, where my motherfucking crew at, baby? What we doing lately? We just spitting and we cross fading a little, mix a little cut. Sing if you want.